Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you get ChatGPT4. So first of all, just go to any web browser and search for chat.openai.com and log into your ChatGPT account. You can give your email address here, or you can just log in with Google, Microsoft account or Apple. And you need to just choose your account. Now in the top right, here you can see ChatGPT4. Just click on it. Now click on upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. And again here you can see Plus, which is USD $20 per month. Click on upgrade to Plus. Now you need to just fill all this information, and after that just click the subscribe button, and by this you can just upgrade to ChatGPT4. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.